Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. In today's video, I'll show you how to lean in PUBG Mobile to peek around corners safely like a pro. So let's jump right into the video. First, open your PUBG Mobile app and simply start a match. If you don't want to start a match, that is also fine. And make sure you are logged into your own account. As you can see, I have already logged into my account. Now simply go to your setting. From the arrow on the right side corner, the arrow appears right here. Simply go to the setting, and in here, simply go to your control, and in the basic controls, simply scroll down. When you scroll down, you'll find a settings known as peak settings. This is normally known as peak and fire in PUBG Mobile, but it is also called lean. So you have to simply enable it right here. Make sure both options are enabled right here. As you can see, every option in this peak settings are enabled. During gameplay, use the lean button on the left or right side of the screen to peek around corners without exposing your full body. This is super useful in close combat, so you can simply customize your buttons here and choose where you keep your pick button. As you can see, my pick button is right here and right here. Simply save it where you want to keep it. This is super useful in the gameplay and helps to improve your gameplay a lot. And that's it guys. Leaning can really give an edge in fights. If you found this video helpful, like, comment and subscribe for more PUBG Mobile tips. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.